Hey guys, Nick Hutchinson with MarineMax Clearwater here. Today I'm standing next to a brand new 2021 model year G25, and this is the same hull that the Paragon is built out of. For the G series now for 2021 going forward, they're all sharing the same redesigned hull to give you an even better wake from what already used to be an amazing setup. You can see as we walk on the back here, our swim platform is redesigned with added cup holders, so while you're swimming, you've got some more places. Also, the cooler, which is your first step, has been redesigned. Gives you a lot more space, more integration, and should keep your ice cold a lot longer than it used to. Two cup holders here on your rear seat, so while you're surfing, you've got a more comfortable place. Walking through here, we've got a flip-up seat that also moves forward to become aft facing. Optional table that can be easily stowed in your huge storage in the rear. Our tower system has the JL audio speakers, strapless board racks, wake surf pockets for storing your surfboards on the top, as well as flip-up backrests here on the port side. This boat is totally loaded. We've got full JL audio, a subwoofer, RGB cup holders on both sides. Moving up to the helm here. At first glance, it looks like the same link system, but the whole interface has been upgraded for 2021. Instead of having to work through your NCRS and NSS tabs individually, you now have an actual wave photo that shows a 1 through 10 setting so that you can change your wake based off of a picture to get the size and shape that you want, instead of having to remember what the NSS and NCRS settings do. It makes it a lot more user-friendly, get a better wake real quick. We've also got our dial that they had on the other system so that you can control the screen, not just through touchscreen, but also with your quick commands right there. Moving forward, we got the air dam. And on port side in your stereo, they've added the window to see your phone in there. That used to only be on the GS series. Well, now they've integrated that into the G as well. Finally, up on the bow, we've got our bow filler cushion. Right now it's upside down. You can see it's got SeaDeck on the bottom for a step, but flip it around and it becomes a full filler cushion. If you guys have any other questions on this boat or any of the other boats that we currently have in stock, look at that. We've got our Paragon down there at the end. Great selection of all different sizes. Please feel free to give me a call or send me a text. My cell phone number is 303-875-3988. Thanks for watching.